Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how to upload files to the remote host using SFTP. So let's connect first to the remote host. Type the following command: SFTP space mtorc at 192.168.8.54 and press enter. Now type the password for user mtorc and press enter. As you see, now we are connected to the SFTP on remote host. Now let's type the command ls and press enter. As you see, the directory dir1 is the only directory listed. So let's go inside the dir1 to start uploading files. Type the following command: cd space dir1 and let's press enter. Sorry, I didn't type dir1 correctly, so I will type cd dir1 and press enter. Now we are in dir1 directory, and to verify that, type pwd and press enter. As you see, we are in the path/home/mtorc/dir1. Now I want to upload a file from the local machine to the remote machine. So first, let's list the files on the local machine by typing the command lls and press enter. As you see, the lls command has listed the directories and files on the local machine. Now let's say that I want to upload the file 1.txt from the local machine to the remote host. How can I do that? Simply type the command put, then type the file name, and the file name in our example is file1.txt. So the put command is responsible for uploading files. So this command will upload, or you may say will transfer, the file, which is file1.txt, from the local machine to the remote host. Now let's press enter to execute the command. As you see, the uploading process started, and as you see, there are some information here, like the size of the file already uploaded, the speed of uploading, and the estimated time to finish the file uploading. Okay, now the file1.txt has been uploaded successfully to the remote host. And to verify that, let's list the files using the command ls and press enter. As you see, the file1.txt is here. Okay, now let's see how can we upload multiple files at the same time. First, let's list files on the local machine. So let's type lls command and press enter. As you see, there are other files such as file2.txt and file3.txt. So let's upload all txt files to the remote host. Type the put command, then type star.txt. As you see, I am using the wildcard here, and I am using the wildcard to let the system upload all the files which have the extension .txt. So this command will upload all txt files to the remote host. Now let's press enter to start the uploading process. As you see, the uploading process started, and it will take a while to upload all txt files to the remote host. Okay, now all the txt files have been uploaded successfully to the remote host, and to verify that, let's type ls command and press enter. As you see, now the file1.txt, the file2.txt and the file3.txt have been successfully uploaded to the remote host. And by that, we get to the end of this lesson, and we have learned how to upload files using SFTP. Thank you for watching, and see you in next lesson.